Hi, good morning students. It's me Harsnath Sukla and today we are going to discuss trigonometry lecture number 2 for class 10th. So in this lecture we discuss some trigonometric ratios of some specific angle. So first of all we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. So for this we consider an equilateral triangle of side 2A, and if we draw median then it is a bisector as well as perpendicular bisector of this line as well as median as well as bisector of this angle also. So this is E and A. So in this triangle first we find AD square. So this is the formula for finding AD square. AD square is nothing but root 3A. So when we want to find 60 degree, trigonometric ratios of 60 degree, then we consider this angle. So sine 60 is what? Sine 60 is, for this perpendicular is this and hypotenuse is this. Then AD upon AB. AD upon AB, and this is nothing but AD. AD is 2A, root 3A divided by 2A. A cancels, so this is root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos 60, tan 60 and other trigonometric ratios we have to find from here. So first of all you note it down. So I hope are you completed this one. Again I just explain you. This is the equilateral triangle of side 2A and we draw a perpendicular bisector here. Then this bisector is a median also. That's why this particular line BC is in two equal parts A and A. And then we use Pythagoras theorem and find AD because this is of 90 degree. And in the same manner we have to find AD and then sine 60. Sine 60 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so perpendicular is for this particular angle 60 degree is AD and hypotenuse is AB. Then AD upon AB, this is sine 60. Similarly we find cos 60 and tan 60. So see here, cos 60 is what? Cos 60 degrees base upon hypotenuse. So base is what? BD upon AB. So this is A upon 2A. This is 1 by 2. So this is the value of cos 60. Tan 60 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sorry, tan 60 is perpendicular upon base. So this is 2A root 3A. That means AD upon BD. This is nothing but root 3A divided by A, and this is cancelled out. So this is root 3. So this is of tan 60. Okay. Similarly, if you find sec 60, cosec 60, just reverse it. Okay, you know very well this is the reverse relation, so just reverse it, you will get the value of cot 60 and cosec 60, sec 60 all. Okay, so note it down fast. Okay, I hope you noted down. Now next one is sin 30, cos 30 and tan 30. So for this we only change the angle of consideration. So this is of 30 degrees, and for this is the perpendicular and this is the base and this is the hypotenuse. So for sin 30, if you find, then this is nothing but 30 degree, this is the perpendicular, this is the hypotenuse. So BD upon AB, and this is nothing but what? BD is A upon 2A. So A cancel out, this is 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 30 is nothing but base upon hypotenuse. So base is now this AD upon AB. So AD upon AD, AB, the root 3 upon 2A, A cancel, this is root 3A, root 3 by 2. And now tan 30 is nothing but perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular here A, that means BD upon AD, this is A upon root 3A, A cancelled out, so this is 1 by root 3. So this is the tan 30. Similarly, others you have to find. So note it down. Okay, I hope you have completed this. Now, trigonometric ratios of 45 degree we shall going to discuss. Trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. So now, for 45 degree, this is very easy. We consider an isosceles right angle triangle in which two sides are A and A. Then by using Pythagoras, first we find AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is A square plus A square, 2A square, this is AC square. So AC must be root 2, A root 2. And being a right angle triangle, this is 90 degree. Then this is of 45 and this is of 45 because this is an isosceles triangle. So if one angle is 90 degree, then other two are 45 and 45. Okay. So sin 45 is You know very well, perpendicular, this is a root 2, perpendicular is this, then hypotenuse, then AB upon AC, and AB upon AC is, AB is A and AC is A root 2, so this is cancel, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay, similarly, cos 45, if you see cos 45, then cos 45 is again base upon hypotenuse, so this is base and this is hypotenuse, so BC upon AC, and this is also A upon A root 2, this is cancelled out, so cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Similarly, if you need to find tan 45, then you know very well, here we find tan 45, this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse base, so A upon A, this is 1. So these are the values of sin 45, cos 45 and tan 45. So note it down. Okay, I hope you have completed this one also. So next we find trigonometric ratios of 0 angle and 90 degree. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. So for this, if we consider a triangle like this, if one angle is 90 degree and if other angle is 0 degree, for this angle is being 0, this line should be coincide with this point. A should be at B. For 0 degree, A should be at B. So if we see, then this particular side is negligible, 0. So if find sine 0, then this is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And perpendicular is here 0 and hypotenuse is AC, no problem. So this is 0. So sine 0 is 0. Cos 0. And if this line is 0, then line AC must be equal to BC. So AC upon AC, this is 1. So the value of cos 0 is 1. So tan 90, perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is 0 and base is BC. So tan 0 is 0 by BC, this is 0. Understood? And if we want to find trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees, so first of all you understand this. And if we need to find trigonometric ratios of 90 degree, then we make a triangle like this. This is clear maybe. Trigonometric ratios of 90 degree, then in a triangle 2 A, B, C, and this is of 90, and this angle of consideration become 90, then this is like this, okay, then only this is of 90. So there is no this line is AB is equal to what? This is AC, understood? So if we find sine 90, this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so AB is equal to AC, then AB upon AB only, this is 1. And if we see cos 90, so cos 90 is obviously 0 because this line is in, and there is no line like this, okay. Similarly tan 90 perpendicular upon base, so there is no perpendicular is 0, that's why 0 upon, something upon 0, this is undefined, that means infinite. So cos 90 is 0 and tan 90 is something upon, suppose perpendicular is AB upon 0, this is infinite. Okay, so this is the trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. Now we are going to write all in one table. So first of all we see how will we find, okay. This is table that you help to learn. This is theta, and this is of theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and this is of 90 degree. Maybe all are clear? Okay. This is sine, this is cos, and this is tan. Sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, okay. And here sine, cos, and tan. This is the table for sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, 0 degree and 90 degree and etc. So first we write the value, and then after I have to tell you how will we find. So first of all, sine 0 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, cos sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. And the next, for cos you have to write in reverse direction. So this is 1, this is root 3 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, and this is 1 by 2, and this is 0. And for tan we must divide this. So 0 by 1 0, 1 by 2 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, and this is infinite. Okay, so this is the table, and for rest of them you just reverse it. Suppose cosec 0, then 1 upon sine 0, Cosec 0 is 1 upon sin 0. Sec 0 is 1 upon, okay, this already I have to told you, reverse relation, inverse relation, okay. So note it down, and then I will tell you how will we find these values. So okay, I hope you are completed this one. So next thing, how will we find? So for finding, see how will we find. First we write the counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and also divided by 4, and taking square root of these number, we will have 4 by 4, this is 1, this is root 3 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, and this is 1 by 2, and this is 0. So this is the value 0, 1 by 2, and etc. And afterwards you just reverse in the direction and you will get the answer. So thank you for today. Thank you very much.